All right, in this video, we are going to see how to factor trinomials. Trinomials means three terms of, a polynomial consists of three terms. For example, if you look at the example, 6x squared minus 41x minus 7, there are three terms, so we call them trinomials. So in order to factor this one, we have to multiply the end numbers, and can we get a number that satisfies as a product negative 42, and as a sum, this is as a sum negative 41. Can you get two numbers? Yes, we can, which is for example, in this case, minus minus 42 and positive 1. Now I can write the middle term as 6x squared minus 42x plus x minus 7. If you look at the common factor between 6x squared and 42x is 6x here, x minus 7. For the second one is x minus 7. Look at this one. This is again common factor. Then we can write this one as 6x plus 1 multiplied by x minus 7. So we just factored out. You see? So let's see this, the second example. Second example B. Factor another one, 4x squared minus 28x plus 48. In this case, you can see that 4 is a common for 28 and 48. So I can factor out 4 first. X squared minus 7x plus 12. Now, I have to use the first procedure that we use. That means, can we get two numbers with a product of 12 and the sum is negative 7? Can you get? Yes, negative 3 and negative 4. Then I can write for x squared minus 3x minus 4x plus 12. 4 is out, so this is a common is x minus 3. For the second one is negative 4 common and x minus 3. So you can see in this step that x minus 3 is common, so I can write again 4 x minus 4 x minus 3. So this is generally can be written as x minus 4x minus 3. This is another factoring of trinomial. I will add more example. For example, see the same thing. Let's say 4r squared minus 22r plus 10. Again, if you look at this one also, we can factor out 2. 2 is common, so 2r squared minus 11r plus 5. Now, we can just use the product sum rule. Product, which is 2 times 5, which is positive 10, and sum is negative 11. Can we get two numbers that satisfies this condition? Yes, we can. That is negative 10 and negative 1, right? So I can write this 2r squared, then negative 11 can be written as 10r minus r plus 5. Now 2 is out. The common factor between 2r squared and minus 10r is 2r, r minus 5. If you look at the second one, negative out, and I can write r minus 5. Now 2 is common. Do you see r minus 5, r minus 5? Again, it is a common factor. So I can write r minus 5, and there is 1 here, 2r minus 1. So this is the factor of the polynomial given by 4r squared minus 22r plus 10. Let me add one more example. Let's see d factor this one 12 d square minus 13 ds minus 35 s square. Now again I can use the same procedure, that is conjugate two numbers that gives us a product of 12 times 12 times negative 35 is minus 420, and the sum is equal to minus 13. Then conjugate two numbers on this one. So in order to get this one, you can write 420 in terms of prime number factorization. That is 2 squared times 5 times 3 times 7. So when you see this combination, so there is this one 28 and the remaining is 15. So 28 minus 42 can be written as minus 28 times 15, and it is also satisfy the sum, that is the sum of minus 28 plus 15 is minus 30. You see now? Then we can identify the sum which gives us negative 13, and the product of minus 420 is minus 28 and positive 15. Now the procedure is the same. Now let me write this one as 12d square minus 13 means minus 28 ds and plus 15 ds. Remember the middle term minus 35 s square, right? Look at this one. What I write is this is equivalent to minus 30 ds because it satisfies the product of negative 420, and the sum of negative 13 is minus 28 and 15. Now let's factor the 12 and 28. So I have a factor 4d 3d then minus 7s. Look at, when you distribute, it should give you 4 times 3d is 12, 4 times, this times this one is 12, this times this one is minus 28. That is okay. Then for the second one, I can factor out 5s, and inside it is 3d, right? And this one must be 7, so it is minus 7. The remaining is s here. Then in order to check, look at this one is okay, it passes 5s, 3d is 15ds, and this multiplied by this one is 5 times 7, which is negative minus that. That's good. Now look at this one, it is common now, you see. Now finally I can write 4d plus 5s multiplied by 3d minus 7s. That is the final answer when we factor the 12d square minus 13ds minus 35s square.